Hey Tube, this is a remake video on the Ryobi Easy Clean 1 Plus. It's a 600 PSI portable pressure washer. Takes your regular 18-volt battery. As you can see in here, has this compartment that protects it. The bottom has like rubber, so it's like doesn't slip. It has a safety, so this right here you have to push in to actually be able to pull the trigger. And the video I just did yesterday, I was going over how this works and the pressure and so forth. Comes with this tip here that you can just rotate for the desired effect. This one kind of has a spinning pattern, and this was the one that's mostly like a regular pressure washer. And this just clips on. You can press this button, you put the arrows together, same here, arrows together, so this whole thing comes off. It connects here. I think this is metal now, this piece. It was in question before, the original one that they made, and people were saying that it broke right here. But this is definitely metal, and this is plastic, just fits on here like that. So there also is another piece like this that you can attach to use a regular garden hose. This hose comes with it, and I don't have much water because I was just spraying a little bit, trying something out, and I learned something. So, you know, just siphon some water out, whatever. You can use this in a pool. That's why it has this, so it would actually stay like floating. So like if you wanted to clean your lawn furniture or something like that. So what I noticed when I was spraying, and I didn't notice yesterday, is on the back of this, I'm trying to get so you can see in the light, it says, hold on, you have modes here, and right now it's in high mode. I had it in low mode, and I just didn't even know that this mode thing was here. So if I push it, see, it's lit up in high mode. So I'm going to go to mode 1, and you'll see how it does. What do I have it on? 15 degrees. I don't have enough water, so bear with me a second. Yeah, it's just not filling up. Let's go over to the spigot real quick. Sorry about that, I should have been more prepared. Only take a second to fill it up enough to show you guys. So, when I was doing the video, I didn't notice those modes, and I didn't read the directions either. I typically don't, because usually I can figure things out myself. But when I was just spraying up there just now, I was looking straight at it, and that's how I saw the modes. That'll be enough water for now. Again, sorry about this. I just want to show you how it works. It just needed a little bit more water. So you just shove that in there like that. And this pattern should look just like it does there, like a V. See? Now that to me wasn't very strong, and it isn't. And so when I was making the video, even though when I put that on my feet, it does hurt. So if you get it close, there's some pressure there. And I was able to like clean things off. But if I hit this mode button, now I'm on mode 2, you'll hear that it's louder. And it has more pressure. I'll go to mode 3. And mode 3 is lit up. It's definitely louder, and it's definitely more pressure. So I'm very impressed actually now with this thing. Definitely the pressure is much better than I expected, and certainly better than the video I took yesterday. So I'm just going to add this video as like a redo on the other video. But I definitely like this a lot better now with the added 2 modes of pressure. It certainly will be able to. Again, I'm not saying you'll be able to strip your deck. I literally just did my whole house, pressure washed my whole house. Incidentally, I don't use pressure. I just use chemical and then I rinse it with the pressure washer. But the point is, I just done the whole deck, and I have raccoons that come and be fed every night, and sometimes there's this possum that comes. One of them did number 2 all over the floor, all over the brand new washed deck. So I was pretty upset about that, and I had to pull my actual pressure washer out, and it's kind of a pain setting all that up. And I was just like, I wonder if there's an easier way. So I used my pressure washer, but I did look online and I found this thing, and I have tons of Ryobi tools, the 1 Plus version, from nail guns to power tools, everything. And I have a lot of batteries and battery banks where you can keep them charged. So why not look for another Ryobi tool that could be useful? Anyway, this is definitely it now that I know that it has those modes. And again, they're just on the back here, so you can see. And you just press it in, it will change whatever mode it's in. So like I said, now that I know that, it's great. And perfect for cleaning things, your deck furniture, like I said. If you do have a pool, you can just throw it in the pool and wash stuff around there. Very handy to have. You can take it with you camping and stuff. You can wash your car with it. Again, it has different modes. I guess I'll show you that since I have you on this. So we were on the, like I call it fan spray or V spray. This is what rinse looks like. And it's still on mode 3, as you can see. And then there's one other pattern that kind of spins. They call it turbo. And I'm guessing those would be good for like washing your car. Actually, you can't even see it spinning now because of the mode. It definitely is, but it's hard to tell. Anyway, you can see it's a larger pattern. But I particularly like the V pattern the best. But again, if I was washing my car, I'd probably switch to one of those. And that's what's great. I mean, now, you can rinse off your car with this, just 5-gallon bucket of water, and then wash it with some soap, and then rinse it off again. I mean, so much easier than dragging the hose out or whatever. You basically just fill up your 5-gallon bucket. That probably would be enough to wash your whole car. Anyway, without further ado, that's all I have for this video, guys. Sorry that I didn't realize that on the original video. I will post this as soon as I'm finished here. And I hope you guys have a wonderful summer. And see you in the next video. Thanks again, YouTube.